What is up, everybody? So there's some new news coming out about the Adnan Syed case. His murder conviction has now been upheld. This comes from TMZ.com and it is linked in the description below. Maryland High Court upholds conviction and they have ordered a new hearing. Adnan Syed's legal battles will now drag on. The Maryland State Supreme Court affirmed a lower appellate court's ruling reinstating Syed's murder conviction. Now, this is a weird one for me. It seems like, and I could be wrong, maybe I'm missing something, but it seems like the only reason this conviction is being upheld is because members of the person that was killed, members of her family, didn't get enough notice in order to be able to attend the previous hearing. So that is why they are upholding his murder conviction. Yes, it is extremely unfortunate, or whatever the situation may be, that they weren't given enough time to be there in court. But how does that have any effect on whether this man is guilty or innocent? An unfortunate set of circumstances for the victim's family? Yes, big time. But it doesn't mean he's guilty of this crime. That is an absolutely, truly bizarre law, that your murder conviction can be upheld or reinstated just because somebody wasn't able to attend in person? That's weird. The highest court in Maryland upheld the ruling determining that his case should be kicked down to the trial court to once again consider whether his conviction should stand, essentially undoing the 2022 court ruling that overturned the conviction and set him free. The new hearing has not been scheduled, but when it does happen, the family of his alleged victim, Hae Min Lee, will most certainly be present in court. Now, young Lee, who is the alleged victim's brother, was upset with the court's ruling, and he is the reason why the murder conviction got reinstated, on the ground that he and his family weren't given enough notice about the hearing. So I was right. That is the only reason why this conviction is reinstated. By a 3-4 decision, the state Supreme Court agreed that the Lees should have been given notice, though the reinstated conviction doesn't necessarily mean that Adnan is going to go back to prison. He's been out since late 2022, and he's reportedly staying out pending the outcome of the next hearing. That's a plus. That's good, because if they had found new evidence that he absolutely did it, absolutely overturn the conviction, do whatever it is you have to do. But just because someone wasn't able to be present in court, you can reinstate a murder conviction? Really weird. The Maryland Supreme Court saying that he can remain free in the meantime. Adnan's lawyer says they can understand the Lee's family's frustration, adding wrongful convictions affect the convicted, their family, and the victim's family too. So this is going to be very interesting to see where this goes from here. Just getting that murder conviction reinstated because someone wasn't able to attend court. I wonder if they're going to send them back to prison, if they're going to have a new trial, or if they're just going to do what they redid already and just have the alleged victim's family there and then officially set them free. A really strange situation. But what do you think? What are your opinions on the case? What do you think of the situation of him getting released and now it being reinstated? Let me know. Leave some comments below. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you again soon.